everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video we're going to make a great winter dish together. We are going to make a broccoli and cheddar bake with orzo pilav. It's very nice, very filling, very soothing, and if you get cold during these times, it's very warming as well. It's quite easy to make. It's a great side dish, or it's a great light lunch alternative. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to saute one onion in the olive oil here. I'm going to wait until the oil and the pan are nice and hot, and I'm going to transfer the onion here. I'm going to saute the onions for about 5 minutes. I'm also going to get in there some fresh thyme, which will release its nice aroma into my pan and my oil. And after that, we're going to add in the mushrooms. And once you see the onions nice and translucent, it's now time to get in the mushrooms. You can use any type you like. I'm going to use about 350 grams. I'm adding some spices in there, some garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic as well, some paprika, some salt. And I'm going to saute this for 5 more minutes until the mushrooms are nicely cooked. And in the meantime, I'm going to rinse my orzo. I'm simply going to rinse it with cold water to get rid of any dust. And this will be about 250 grams of orzo. Smells yummy already. Now I'm getting in some lemon zest. And the lemon zest will, in a way, brighten up this dish. We'll be using a lot of cheese, butter, broccoli. You need some zest in there. You can do orange or lime as well. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of butter. It is quite buttery, therefore very delicious. And those mushrooms right now are just soaking the flavors of that thyme, that onion, the butter. I love mushrooms. They're very good for you. They're very flavorful. And now I'm adding in the orzo. I'm just gonna break it apart with my fingers, because once you wash it, it kind of gets sticky. Saute it along with the veggies. I'm getting in 1 bay leaf for extra flavor. About 1.5 cups of broccoli. Some more salt and black pepper. And I'm adding 1.5 cups of water. I'm putting this on a simmer. And I'm going to cook this on the stove top for about, I'll say 15 minutes, until the orzo is softened up a little bit. And because I don't have a lid that fits this pan, I'm just going to foil it up. You can use parchment paper as well. And we'll continue in 15. This now looks good. As you can see, it absorbed all the water, and the orzo is quite nice right now. It's not completely soft, but it's semi-soft, I'll say. And now I'm fishing out the fresh thyme leaves from here. Oh, it looks so good already. This is a great meal as well, but we are going to get it in the oven with the cheese and the milk, and it's just going to come to a whole different level. I'm looking for my bay leaf. Here you go. And it's important to fish these out now, because after the cheese and the milk gets in there, it becomes much more difficult. So now I'm adding about 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cheddar cheese. Use any type you like. If you like it sharp, then make sure you use nice and sharp. I'm giving everything a good mix. I want the cheddar in there. I like everything cheesy, so I'm going to get in some extra mozzarella on top of it. And I'm going to transfer this to my preheated oven at 180 degrees. And I'm going to cook until I see the cheese nice and melted, and then it will be ready to serve. Look how gorgeous it looks. Now let's transfer it to a plate. Oh, it smells delicious. I definitely want the cheese of it. It's delicious. It's so flavorful. The orzo's cooked up really nice and well. Broccoli tastes great. The cheese, the melted cheese, the milk, the butter, you can feel everything in one bite. I definitely recommend you guys go into your kitchens and try this dish. Like I said, it's perfect for fall and winter. And if you do, don't forget to leave your comments down below. I share a lot of easy, breezy, delicious recipes. So if you haven't done so, please do subscribe. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.